G'day guys, today I'm replacing the motor on my Nazgul 5. Now, I don't think I'm going to have to take anything else off because I can solder from here, but I reckon I can trim them. Right, old motor is unscrewed, and just pull it through. This is the annoying part. Alrighty, it's not very neat, but I tried. Time to go test flight.
A great success!